Are you a person suffering from continuous sneezing while waking up in the morning? Do these 3 things to reduce sneezing upon waking up. First one is keeping your bedroom clean. Minimize dust mites and other allergens by regularly washing beddings, vacuuming floors, and keeping your bedroom windows closed. Second one you may not like if you are a pet lover. Keep pets out of your bedroom if you are allergic to pet dander. Third one is use of air purifiers with HEPA filters. Use air purifiers in your bedroom to remove allergens from the air while you sleep. Comment your experience if you are a person suffering from continuous morning sneeze.